Okay, so guys, I'm with Ryan. I forgot to shoot an intro completely, but we already drove to our destination, which is where the video is basically gonna start. So we're gonna pick something up.
It's almost as heavy as Emerson.
Where we're going, if you guys don't know the shop.
This is where we are.
I'm sure, yeah, this is where we are, but we're not there yet. But I'm sure you guys like already know like kind of what's going on here.
Getting wheels.
Looking at a Mustang. What's in there? Like, should not bother. Anyways. Huh?
Say what it says.
Yeah, what's it say?
It says IAG.
IAG. Well, shout out to the guys at Toge. Like, their builds are like absolutely insane. I'm sure this isn't even half of them, but like, yeah, got the package and now we're ready to go. So I don't know if we're gonna tell you guys yet, but we just picked up something for Ryan's car that's gonna make it a lot cooler than it is now.
Yeah. It's still gonna be stock, technically.
More power, baby. More power, baby. More power, baby.
Yeah. You'll have to see.
All right, guys, just as an update, we're back at Ryan's house now, and we're just gonna take the box out and put it somewhere, and then we may do a little bit of, they get to finally see it, and we're maybe gonna do a bit of uninstallation on the WRX, on whatever we're installing. Isn't that right, Ryan? Oh wait, they can almost see it if we just pause the video and zoom in. So like, we gotta get off this intake manifold, and I think the fuel lines are in the way, so we're like trying to figure out how to remove those exactly. I don't know how far we're gonna get, but we'll give you guys an update in the next clip. It's a video explaining how to take these fuel lines off. Basically, what Ryan's doing is, well, what Chris is doing is blocking the light, but what Ryan is doing is, no, it's not gonna, you gotta basically like open up a thing inside there and slide it off, because it's like hooked onto like a barbed piece on the actual fuel line on this part here. Yeah, and then there's like some hoses down here. So if you see our conundrum, watch out. Here, come over here. You gotta get, so this is where the intake manifold is. It's like a cross member down in there, and we basically have to separate basically have to separate this bottom piece and this top piece completely, and then we should be able to wiggle it off. That's my thinking, at least. I'm not 100% sure though. It seems logical. What does Ryan think? What?
I don't know.
Oh, it's your pops.
See what this does.
I just took that off.
Yeah, but like, see what it does.
Okay. Okay, so got one of the, got one of the lines down here off. Now we just have to work on getting these two up here. It's gonna be a little difficult, but we'll see how far we can. So instead of doing the PIX method that's recommended, we're gonna try and use two Allen keys, see if we can get it off. See if Ryan can get it off. Well, as I went to go get my tripod, Ryan was able to get one of the fuel lines off. However, lost the Allen key that we're using. So the Allen key method works, at least, but the bad news is
Sounds a lot harder.
So here's that like little thing that it's hooked on, and you basically have to like, so it's like this, and then you have to like open the clip with the picks to slide it off like that. I'm sure you guys understand it, but like, you know, just in case. Trying not to make this video too long. Not going so well, but, you know, happens. Yeah, be right back. So just as I forgot to give you guys an update, I just got home from Ryan's. We weren't able to get the fuel line. We got the fuel lines off, but we weren't able to get the intake manifold off because there's still like fuel rails underneath that are still connected to the intake manifold. And we're waiting for our friend Oberon, who actually knows what he's doing, so that we don't, like, you know, mess anything up. Figured I'd throw a bit of the, it's a little inconvenient, a bit of the parts removal into this video while, you know, while I can. It's easier to have like most of the uninstallation videos, you know, in parts to keep you guys updated. If you guys know what we picked up from Toge Tuning, I don't know why that took so long. I'm really tired, guys, sorry. If you guys know what we picked up from Toge Tuning though, don't comment down below, because we want other people to guess. Like, it's pretty obvious, but if you don't know, comment down below what you think it is. I want to see what your guys' thoughts are. So yeah, you look forward to, like, you know, our whole build process and everything with everyone's car. Things are gonna get interesting as the new season's coming up. We're looking forward to doing more of our own events and attending some other events as well. If you're new to the channel, by all means, like, subscribe for more and follow us on our socials. And yeah, thanks guys.